fun and simple cookie recipe you can make with your kids and your grandkids. And the best part, it is made with few ingredients you already have at home. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of room temperature butter. Then we go ahead to add 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams. Then we mix it very well until it's properly combined and it becomes creamy. Next, we'll be adding 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can substitute vanilla flavor with any other flavor of your preference. Then we go ahead to mix it very well until it's properly combined. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 360 grams, and then we go ahead to mix it very well until a dough is formed. Then we go ahead to roll out the dough in between 2 baking sheets. I'll be rolling out mine to 1/4 inch thickness. After rolling out, it's time for the fun part. Go ahead and bring out your favorite Christmas cookie cutters and cut out the cookies into shape. Once that is done, take out the excess dough and set aside. We'll be using it to make more cookies. After that, this is all we have. Go ahead to transfer the baking sheet and the cookies into a baking tray and bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, this is what we have. This cookie recipe is so simple. It is very easy to make and it is made with few ingredients. It is absolutely delicious. You will love it. Your entire family will love it. Your kids, your grandkids, they will all love it. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to encourage me, subscribe if you haven't done so, and also check out the other videos in this channel. Stay tuned, there's still more coming your way. Hello everyone, let's make these 3 ingredients butter cookies. It is very easy to make and you will love it. If you're interested in learning, join me, let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of room temperature butter. Your butter have to be soft, but if your butter is not soft, put it in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar, that is 130 grams. If you don't have icing sugar, you can make yours at home by blending 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can use vanilla sugar if you don't have vanilla flavor, or you can totally skip it because this is optional. Then we go ahead to mix it very well until it becomes creamy. Then for our final ingredients, we'll be adding 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I added 2 cups first before the 3rd cup. That is a total of 360 grams. Then we go ahead to mix it until a dough is formed. After mixing, this is what my dough looks like. Then we'll go ahead to transfer it to a work surface and roll it out using a rolling pin to 1/2 inch thickness. Now onto the fun part. We'll be cutting our cookies into shape. I'll be using this cookie cutter to cut mine. Use any cookie cutter you have at home. This is what mine looks like after cutting. We'll go ahead to transfer it to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Now for the final part, we'll be placing some chocolate chunks in the middle of the cookies. Then we go ahead to bake it in the oven for 12 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And after baking, this is what we have. Very pretty cookies and very delicious. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe at home. I hope you try it. It's really good and I'm sure you will love it. And if you do try it, come back and tell me how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below to encourage me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. This is a small channel and I appreciate all your support. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Feel free to share this recipe and any other recipe in the channel with your loved ones. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. And if you have any question or any video recommendations for me, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. In this video, we'll be making these tasty cookies with few ingredients. We will start by adding 200 grams of soft butter into a bowl. If your butter is cold, put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we will add 1 cup of icing sugar. We will mix very well until it becomes creamy. You can use hand mixer for this step if you prefer. Next, we will add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and mix very well until it forms a dough. You can mix using a spatula or your hands, whichever one you prefer. Transfer the dough to a work surface and divide into 2 equal parts. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder to one dough and mix very well to form a chocolate dough. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and roll out the plain dough. Then cut using a small circle cutter. I dipped mine in flour first. Take out the excess dough. Next, we'll be using 3 different smaller circle cutters to make the design. This is the first circle. This is the second smaller one. And this is the smallest one. After designing, you will have this shape. Transfer to baking tray, layered with parchment paper. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then for the chocolate dough, we'll repeat the process just like in the plain one. We'll roll out, then we'll cut with circle cutter. Next, we'll design with the smaller cutters. You should have something like this afterwards. Place on a baking tray. Bake in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow to cool down completely after baking. Next, we'll add melted white chocolate on the chocolate cookies. You can choose to add yours on the plain one. It doesn't really matter. Then cover the chocolate cookies with the plain cookies. Now we have made these amazing delicious cookies. Would you pair yours with any beverage or will you eat yours like that? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe. I would also love to read about your questions, your recommendations, and your opinions. Please don't forget to support my channel by kindly subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing the video to your loved ones. Thank you